Hey guys, Tanner with Westcott here. Today we're going to be giving you an installation video on your LC250 and GX550 universal ditch light brackets. The tools we're going to be using today for our install are a plastic trim removal tool, a spring-loaded center punch, scissors and tape, a drill with a 3/8 drill bit. I'm using a unibit. A riv nut installation tool. This one's pneumatic. You can get handheld ones at your hardware store, or you can do it by using a bolt and a washer. Okay, today we're installing these KC lights on our small version of the ditch light bracket. Our large version mounts and assembles the same, just has a larger bracket for a wider light. So our ditch light brackets mount onto the side of the door on top of this plastic piece on the door. First, we have to start by removing this from the door. So to start off, I'm gonna put some tape along the painted surfaces here next to the plastic piece, so when I use the removal tool, I don't necessarily scratch or gouge the paint. Okay, with our plastic molding piece removed, we're going to cut out the provided template and line it up to the perimeter edges of the plastic piece and center punch our holes we need to drill. Okay, now that we have our holes center punched in our plastic, we're going to take our drill and drill bit and drill the 3 holes that we need to install the ditch light brackets. With our holes pre-drilled into our plastic piece, we're going to reinstall it onto the door and mark out the holes we need to drill for the nutsert installation. With our mounting holes drawn out on the door, we're going to take our center punch and center punch the holes and take our drill bit and drill the holes out to 3/8 so we can put our riv nuts in. Okay, our holes are drilled out for the riv nuts to be installed, so we're going to take our pneumatic installer and we're going to put the riv nuts into the door. Okay, we have our riv nuts installed into the drilled holes in the door. Now we're going to take our ditch light bracket and our plastic that we drilled holes in earlier and install them into the riv nuts using the hardware provided. Okay, our bracket's installed with the provided hardware. Now we're going to install our light onto the bracket. Okay, we've got our ditch light bracket installed on the passenger side of the vehicle. All the same instructions apply to the driver's side. The 3rd hole you drilled was for your wiring to run inside the vehicle and get wired appropriately. Now that wraps up our install video on your ditch light bracket install on the LC250 and GX550. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe for more videos like this.